Good morning, children. In your last classes, you have studied about the large numbers of at the most 8 digits. But in this chapter of large numbers, we will study about the numbers of around 8 to 10 digits or more. Now, it is necessary for us to know how to place these large numbers in place value table in Indian as well as international system. Then only we can name them accordingly. So first we have to know what is the Indian system place value table for the large numbers. As you can see in this picture, here first 3 digit will come in ones period. The next 2 digit will come in thousand period. Another next 2 digits will come in lakh period. Then again next 2 digits come in crore period, and the last 2 digits come in Arab period. Now, if we are given with a large number of 11 digits, let us learn how to place this large number in the given Indian place value table. For this, we have to start from the rightmost digit. Which is the rightmost digit? Here 0 is the rightmost digit. And then start filling the digits in the above Indian place value table, like you can see here. We have placed this 63 in Arab period, 57 in crore period, 89 in lakh period, 24 in thousand period, and 610 in ones period. Now we can come to know that how we can write the above number in word form. Here from this we can easily write, we have 63 Arab, 57 crore, 89 lakhs, 24,000 and 610. Now if the same number is given to us and we have to write in an international place value table, then we will see how can we write. In this, first we have to write the international place value table. Here you can see after every 3 digits the period changes. The first 3 digit comes in ones period, next 3 digit comes in thousand period, another next 3 digits comes in millions period, and then 3 digits in billions period. Now we start filling the given number in this table, as you can see easily from this. Here we have in the word form, we can write the above number as 63 billions 578 millions 924,000 and 610. So children, I hope you understand how can we write the big or a large number of around 10 to 11 digits in Indian as well as in international number system. That's it for today in this video. We will continue in our next video. Thank you.